Hello, everyone. Good evening, all, and thank you so much for joining this exclusive webinar wherein the topic is learn about most underrated stock investing practice. So, primarily, this is on basket investing, right, or small case, what we call, right. My name is Ashish Asthana from HDFC Securities, and along with me, we have a speaker from small case team itself, Mr. Daud Zafar, AVP Business and Marketing from small case. Right. So he will be letting us know what is rebalancing and many doubts and queries probably you may have when it comes to product as basket investing. You can definitely clarify all your doubts. But before I hand it over to Mr. Zafar, I would like to, need your quick participation, viewers. You have an option of raising hand, right? So once you raise your hand, I will get to know, are you with me? Right. So the query or the question what I have here is that I'll first of all, I'll raise all the hands down, right? I have raised all the hands down. Now let me put this question. My investment journey when it comes to equities was not that satisfactory when I started off. Right, I have incurred losses. It was not huge. It was minimal, but it was losses. Right, now the question was which stock to select, because I believe if you know in equity what to buy, when to buy, what to sell, and when to sell, I think you can excel. But the problem is this requires a lot of time, knowledge, as well as that expertise to take that right decisions. So that is where I observed that I incurred losses. It was because of my incorrect decisioning. It was because I have at times I have selected the right stock, but I don't know when to exit. So this is my initial journey when I started off. Now I would request from audience, do you agree with me? Have you all have faced the same thing? You have a raise hand option. If you click on it, I may get it here. Great. Mr. AR, Mr. Ashish Maheshwari, Mr. Bhavin, Mr. Dhanaji, Mr. Dhirendra Singh, Mr. Gaurav, Mr. Gautam, Mr. Hari Krishna, Miss Hema, Mr. Kuldeep, Mr. Manoj Kumar, Mr. Mayank. And I think Mr. Zafar just wanted to inform you, all my 100% of audience have raised their hands, and across the country, people have joined in large. It is very difficult for me to name out all of them. But yes, this is the problem what we have faced. Right. So without any further delay, I will hand it over to you. And I would also like to know from your end, how was your investment journey? Was this the same or it was something different? So over to you, Mr. Zafar.
Thanks, Ashish. It was a great introduction. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, I have some video with, I have some problem with my laptop, so I was unable to switch on my video. Ashish, as you rightly said, it's really difficult to pick right stock at right time. As you mentioned, we all have faced this problem, right? In stock market, if you ask what's the main factor which matters, which stock to buy, when to buy, how long to hold, and when to sell. When to sell matters a lot. People just think about buy, when to sell matters a lot, right? So along with this, there is a lot of problems which are associated with this. So let me just show my screen how it works. So yeah. So hope you can see my screen.
Yes, your screen is visible. I hope it is full screen. No? You have made a full screen.
I have, as I said, I have some issue with my laptop, but I hope it's visible.
Yeah, it is pretty visible.
Cool. So let me start with my journey, how exactly I started. So it was in 2016, where maybe around June. As most of you might have started, I started reaching out to my friends asking कि भाई किसमें invest करना है. So people started giving me 2 or 3 stock tips, जहाँ पे as most of you might have heard कि ये stock ले लेना 25 दिन में पैसा double हो सकता है. So which never happened to me, unfortunately. So that was a painful journey. तो ये क्या 2 stock मैंने लिया, but unfortunately वहां पे वो painful journey start हुआ. After that I reached out to few more so-called experts कि पूछते हैं कि actual में करना क्या है. So those people said, दाऊद हम लोग तो expert नहीं है, but let's do one thing. Promoters are experts, right? So let's follow the promoters way, right? Promoter जब enter होता है तब enter होते हैं, promoter जब exit होता है enter होते हैं. These are basic क्या बोलते हैं patterns which we all come on a daily basis. So वहां पे मुझे बोला कि let's enter with a promoter का way. There was, I don't want to name the stock, it was closely around 300 प्राइस रेंज, वहां पे उसने बोला कि 600 का टारगेट है, लेट्स एंटर. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, इट्स लुक्स लाइक अगेन मल्टी बैगर वाला कॉल. तो एंटर होने की कोशिश किया, बट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग सम रिसर्च. देन मुझे पता चला एक्चुअली प्रमोटर एंटर हुआ था 150 में एंड ही वांटेड टू एग्जिट एट 300. दैट्स वेयर द न्यूज स्टार्टेड. ही स्टार्टेड प्रमोटिंग ए न्यूज सेइंग कि 300 में एंट्री है और 600 डबल है. एक्चुअल में प्रमोटर का तो पैसा डबल हो चुका था, बट हम लोगों को एग्जिट नहीं, हमारा एंट्री और उसका एग्जिट था. सो ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स we come across on a daily basis. So that was a painful journey how I started, but उसके बाद बहुत सारा time research ये सब चीज लगा, but that's how I started entering into the markets. उसके बाद there was one more problem. तो हम लोग तो स्टॉक सिलेक्शन करना स्टार्ट कर लिए, बट एंट्री ठीक है, बट व्हेन टू एग्जिट, वो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो चुका था. आफ्टर दैट वन मोर मेजर प्रॉब्लम वाज सिलेक्टिंग अ स्टॉक इज स्टिल फाइन. अच्छा ठीक है, हमको कुछ अच्छा कॉल मिल गया, बट इफ आई हैव अ बजट ऑफ 100 रुपीज, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ बेसिक एग्जांपल ताकि आप लोग कैलकुलेट इजीली कर सके. इफ लेट्स जस्ट से कि 100 रुपीज हमारा बजट है, 100 रुपीज में आई हैव टू हैव अ कैलकुलेशन, राइट. हर स्टॉक को कितना वेटेज देना है. एक स्टॉक को मुझे 20% देना है, वही स्टॉक को बेस्ड ऑन माय रिस्क एपेटाइट प्लस द स्टॉक्स वेटेज आई हैव टू गिव, लेट्स से कि एक स्टॉक को मुझे 20% देना है, ये स्टॉक को मुझे 30% देना है, सो दैट मेरा पोर्टफोलियो वेल बैलेंस्ड है. अगेन आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट टू गिव दैट वेटेज, वो अगेन प्रॉब्लम था. So there were many factors, it's not just one. If we select one specific category, like let me just give you an example of metal sectors. सारे में मेटल सेक्टर डाल दिया, अनफॉर्चुनेटली पूरा मेटल सेक्टर गिरने लगा, तो मेरा पोर्टफोलियो इज नॉट बैलेंस्ड, राइट. वहां पे वो पूरा का पूरा पोर्टफोलियो गिर जाएगा. अगेन दैट वाज अ प्रॉब्लम. तो स्टॉक हंटिंग इज रियली ए पेनफुल जर्नी, एंड पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड the major problem, at least in my circle where we were facing was, हम रीबैलेंस कैसे करना है, कौन से स्टॉक में कब एंटर होना है, कितना कब एग्जिट होना है. सो दिस वाज अ अंडररेटेड स्टॉक, क्या बोलते हैं, इन्वेस्टिंग का प्रैक्टिस. सो लेट्स जस्ट कम टू द मेन फैक्टर, द मेन टॉपिक, हाउ एग्जैक्टली दिस रीबैलेंसिंग वर्क्स, राइट. It is just like tuning up your car. So not just a car, I mean most of us might be having either two wheeler or a four wheeler for our daily transport. तो यहाँ पे as we all go to regular checkups, right? Like I mean, for if you ask me for a two wheeler, we will have for every 2000 kilometer हम एक बार गाड़ी चेकअप करानी है. If it's a car, like 5000 or 10,000 kilometer पे हमें कार चेकअप कराना है. What was the reason? Just to keep our car healthy. तो एक बार हम systems को check कर ले कि सब सही चल रहा है क्या, right? Same thing हमारे portfolio से भी चलना चाहिए. Right, I mean, as I was having a discussion with Ashish before this webinar, even he was saying कि it's not just car दाऊद, actually health को भी हमें regularly checkup करना चाहिए. Because of this COVID thing, we all are aware कि हमें health भी कितना important है, right? तो वहां पे we all reach out to regular, हमें हमारे regular checkups होने चाहिए with doctors, so that हमारा health कैसे है वो पता होना चाहिए. Or else what will happen if we don't go for these regular checkups to tune up our vehicles or our portfolios or our health. यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, कार तो चलेगी मगर इन बिटवीन हमें प्रॉब्लम जो आएगा दैट वी, हमें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि एक्चुअल में क्या प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग इन आवर पोर्टफोलियो. सो दैट्स द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ this webinar to explain. So portfolio rebalancing is like tuning up your car. I mean, car is just an example for you guys to relate. As Ashish said कि हम हेल्थ को भी रिलेट कर सकते हैं ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. हम बहुत सारे चीज करते हैं जहां पे रेगुलर चेकअप होना चाहिए, राइट. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज रीबैलेंस? If I come to specifically to investments, the process of buying and selling of your portfolio in order to set weight, abhi as I was mentioning the weightage, same thing applies here as well. Weight of each sector or asset class based on its original stage. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, let me just take electric mobility or COVID का example, right? So in this actually it's been 1 year.
Just a submission here, Daud. Actually, many of our audience have joined in from South also. So I'm repeatedly getting many questions in the question mark section to speak in uniform language English.
Cool, no problem. So as most of us started working from homes during these COVID times, so we were facing a major problem over there, which was the network issue. What's the network issue and all? So after that, all the telecom sector started fixing this network issue. And because we all started working from home, and most of our natives are from rural places. Suddenly there was a huge consumption which started. We all started consuming from our natives, right? So which means there is some consumption which is happening in rural area, और वहां पे there was a major improvements which was happening for few sectors or few stocks. So there are some stocks which will get benefited from this change. So what are those stocks, right? So selecting those stocks is a pain. So let me just come back to the point. So we have created ready-made baskets or ideas where you can relate to, right? So you can instead of doing a research, you can always come and invest in that idea. So small case stand for that. And how it exactly works, yahan pe research experts create these baskets. So what will happen, they will allocate your funds in a right manner with a right weightage, right? So as we are not research experts, we have someone who can help us out with this process. So how this rebalance works on it, I mean, let's just assume ki if not small case, how exactly you have to do, right? So you'll have to select a stock, you'll have to put your weightage, you'll have to look at the price. I'm sorry. So let's just compare what is the second process, right? After selecting the price, we will have to look at the increasing the percentage of the stock in our portfolio. Plus we'll have to look at the frequency of the rebalance. See what will happen, buying is fine. We all have our primary objectives, right? So we don't, most of the time we all have either our businesses or we are working somewhere, so we can't put 100% of our time in looking into market. So investing in stock market is a time consuming process. So either we have to be super active so that we can have a look at our portfolio's health. If not, we want someone who can suggest us ki mera portfolio health kaise hai, right? Third, we'll have to adjust. So based on said frequency, we'll have to look into a review our portfolios and make sure ki our portfolio is healthy, right? So we'll have to look into stocks which are performing well. We'll have to look into the fundamentals, technicals, and all those things, which actually a painful process. It looks like it's a painful process, but it's not. Why you should
Right.
rebalance, as I always said. Yes, Ashish, you were saying something.
No, no, absolutely right. I mean to say, just to add on it, what you have mentioned, it is very, very important because these things are critical when it comes to the fundamentals and technicals. But as a layman, if you know, we not no need to get into it. We are here at HDFC and at Small Case to provide that convenience for all our investors, wherein you just sit back, invest, and relax. You know, we are there to take care of it. We will be doing all that due diligence. We will be doing all that, fundamentals and technical analysis, which gives you a right call, because every quarter you see many of the portfolios that we have having a regular quarterly rebalancing also. Some of them are having 6 monthly, some of them are having annually, because these all companies do come up with their quarterly reports also. And probably you or me or the audience would not be at the position to understand from the research or from this result update whether their Q1 profit have gone up, whether the estimated and actual profits are different. Probably there is a change in the management. There are so many things which are involved. So I think here that research analyst who have been making that has been having a complete hold on it, and he takes the right call that this stock may underperform in future, or I need to replace it with a better performing stock. And that's where he catch up the deficiencies in the portfolio and replace it, I think, with the better one, which everyone as an investor, I would look forward that kind of a support. And I think this product is absolutely fantastic, which overcomes that, which takes care of that point and help you to do that rebalancing on time. And that is where I could see all our portfolios which are available, which is a mix of HDFC Research and Small Case as well, are having positive CAGR returns, which is a proven track record of of this entire product, I believe.
Yes, as you rightly said, our job is to select the right strategy or a right idea and stay invested in it. So research expert job is to maintain that portfolio healthy, right? So all he has to do is he'll have to keep his research right. He'll have to do, I mean, he'll have to look into fundamentals and all. On a set frequency, he'll send us a notification ki rebalance karna hai, and in one click we'll have to rebalance. That's how simple it should be, right? So rebalancing, as I said, it feels like a complicated process, but with small cases, it's not. Right. So let me just come to, I mean, I was explaining more about small cases and all. Most of you might have heard what are small cases. Let me just come explain in one line. So small cases or a basket investing, these are basket of stocks or ETFs created based on theme, strategy, objective, or an idea. right? So we all believe in some ideas. On a daily basis, we come across a lot of, I mean, there are different newses, right, around. Plus, I mean, not just a news. So let's just take today I was traveling on, I was stuck in traffic. I was looking around, see how, I mean, I was looking around the vehicles. At least, I mean, I saw some 3 or 4 of electric vehicles, electric two-wheelers. Then I realized that there is a change which is happening on road, which means people are moving towards electric vehicles. So there is some transformation which is happening. Because of that, there are some stocks which may get benefited from this, right? So for me, that was just an idea, but to come back and do a research, it's really a painful process for me. So if there is a ready idea on it, so it's easy for me to just go look into it, screen the past performance, screen the stocks, and invest. It's that simple, right? I'm just taking you an example where you can easily understand. So these baskets are created by research experts. So all our research experts are SEBI registered. Plus, they will be helping us in managing our portfolios. Not just while buying, they'll be managing our portfolios with a rebalance as well. So our small cases hassle free. Yes, you need not to open new account. You need not to have additional steps. All you have to do is just log in with HDFC Securities and invest. It's that simple. With your broking account, you can invest without any extra process. There is no paperwork involved over here. All your money, if you want to invest in small case, your money will be directed from trading account. These stocks will be delivered to your demat account and dividends will be paid to your bank account. It's just like buying the stock from your demat account. All you have to do, but the only difference is you'll be managing portfolios. These are ready-made baskets which you can relate to, right? So let me just come back here and show you how exactly it was. That may help you out, right? So let me just come select the, can you see my screen, Ashish?
Yes, pretty visible.
Super. So let me just take this small case as an example, right? So dividend aristocrat. So what is dividend aristocrat? We all love dividends. We all love, we want to do a research on the stocks who are giving good dividends. So now what will happen for me to go back to this listed companies and do a research key, what are the companies which are doing well, plus fundamentally well. Along with that, we'll have to look into management. The main filter is the companies who are giving good dividends, right? So yahan pe, if you have that idea, if you want to invest in that idea, there is a ready-made small case for that. All you have to do is come to hdfc.smallcase.com or smallcase.hdfc.com. Go through this. Wahan pe, in one line, you will be able to understand there is a small case called dividend aristocrat. In one line, there is a rationale which says companies that have been consistently increasing dividends. That's called extra goodness, right? So we have selected a stock which is performing well from past 10 years and increasing on year-on-year basis. So what do I have to do? Come here, look at this, look at the performance. If you have invested 100 rupees in 2014, today it would have become 390 rupees. So it's that clear. You can see the chart. Plus, you can come down and see the investment market cap. 64% they have invested in large cap, 8% in mid, and 26% in small. So this is how they have distributed our investment. If you invest in this small case, this is how it will be distributed, right? So you can see there are 11 stocks in it, annually reviewed. So last review was September 16, 2020. Next review is in 2021, September 16. So you can always come back, look into methodology. You can see what all filters they have applied, the weightage and all in one click. Plus, along with this, you can see the sectors as well, in what all sectors they have invested, along with the weightage, right? So if you like this small case, you can always come, click on invest. In one click, you'll be investing in all these small cases, all these stocks, right? Review the order, the current price, weightage, quantity, right? There are two options over here. If you strongly believe this small case will work, you can always start a SIP. If you want to try with a one time, we have that option as well. Review the order. This is the minimum investment amount. You can always change the amount. So let me just see why change amount. We're investing 70,000 rupees. So it will always take the closest amount based on stock prices and a weightage. Click on invest now. In one click, you'll be executing 11 stocks based on the weightage, right? So all this process has been simplified by this platform. all you have to do is come over a platform, find an idea which suits your investment style and invest. So if you go to this home page, you will be able to see these filters. These filters will help you in selecting the right small case for your investment style, right? So come here, look at these filters. While starting an investment, we all will have the selection criteria, right? The budget to start with, like we do for a shopping. Say I want to buy a watch which comes under 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Same thing over here. You can always come and filter. You'll get to see the small cases which comes under that basket. So we have more filters, like if you want to invest in thematic, sectoral, or model based, we have that as well. Along with that, this is the most used filter on our platform, right? People want to see the small cases which has performed really well in 1 month, right? So Fallen Angel has given almost 7% in 1 month. So we have special small case for Wonder Woman, Super Pack, L&T Pack, and all, right? So this is one. Along with that, once you invest, you can always come back and see how this has performed. This I have invested previously in these small cases. If you just see these small cases performed really well, which has given some current return is 40% in this. So now, if every small case comes with set frequency of a rebalance, right? So now it is giving me rebalance update. So what do I have to do? If you invest in any of the small cases, you need not to worry on the day-to-day basis ka life, right? So you don't have to spend too much of time on reviewing the stocks. All you have to do is, year most of our small cases comes with quarterly rebalance, which means आपको सिर्फ yearly 4 times rebalance करना है. You'll get a notification every quarter. Click on rebalance, see the update. You'll be able to review the update. You review the order over here. So in this, they are changing stocks which you're buying. These are the stock which you'll buy. These are the stocks which are going to sell from your portfolio. There is no change in these stocks, right? So if I am satisfied with this rebalance, click on confirm. Date SIP, rebalance small case. In one click, I have rebalanced my portfolio, right? जो सेल करना है वो सेल हो जाएगा, जो बाई करना है वो भी बाई हो जाएगा. So it's that simple. The platform is super simple, where you can come and have a look. There is a small case for everyone, right? For every type of investor. So let me just come over here and show all the small cases. We have Quality Smart Beta. If you believe in Pharma Tracker, we have Pharma Tracker and Rising Rural Demand. As I said, people started consuming from our rural places, which means if you believe that there is a small case, which there is if you think that there are some stocks which may get benefit from rising rural demand, so there are some stocks which may get benefit from this. Here are the stocks. You can review the order. Click on invest now. Confirm amount. In one click, you're executing 18 stocks. It's that simple, based on the weightage set by research expert. So let me come back. I'll just show how it gets executed. So you can see it is calculating the weightage and it's done. You can always go review the orders. So it has come to my investment segment, right? So I've invested in this. So my SIP is active. So I have explained the ease of rebalancing. So this I have already explained. As I said, your investing can be experienced. It's a super delightful journey if you start your investment with small case. I have shown how to set up a SIP. I forgot to show how to create a small case, that I'll show now. After that, how to top up and invest more, I'll do that. So now let's assume that you have invested in this small case and you liked it. You believe that this will perform well in future. You have started with 35,000. Now you believe that this idea will work. So you can always, there is no limit for investment. You can invest 5 lakh rupees as well in a same small case. Confirm order. In one click, I'm executing 18 orders. I'll be investing 1 lakh rupees more into the same small case which I have invested before. Right. So while this is happening, I wanted to share one more journey. In 2019 December, I was traveling in Gujarat. So over there, I reached out. I was checking ground level feedback, what was happening, how people like small cases and all. Over there, I reached out to one expert, who has bought some 7 or 8 small cases, I was taking his review. He said he has created 2 small cases, and his friends, 2 of his friends, has also started creating the small cases. I asked him what made him to create those small cases. He said, especially in his friend circle, they are creating small cases to compete with fund managers and the research experts. That was actually a great thing, which we never thought people will start competing with fund managers and all. So I'll just show how to create that. So you can come here, click on create. So let me just make it as multi-bagger. You will have to come and okay, multi-bagger stocks which may trend. By the time I select, by the time I do this, I want you guys to give me some stocks which may perform, which may become multi-bagger in my portfolio. Ashish, can you please name them based on the comments which you are receiving? So how to create this? Go on create. You'll have to name your small case. Then come to this section and start giving me add the stocks which you think may perform well based on your strategy, right? So there are created baskets. There are ready-made baskets, plus there is an option called create basket as well, where you can come and track your strategy over here. So as I can see some names, so Magma, Incorp. So Ashish, can you please name few if people are commenting over there? So what are
Yes,
the
sorry,
stocks?
can you? Yeah, we can see. Now we can see.
Cool. So let me just add ITC over here. So if you think SBI may perform, so I'm investing in different sectors just to see how it performs. So now what will happen, once you create, you'll be able to see the stocks which are related to them, right? So here, if you think you want to give more weightage to this stock, SBI, you can always increase the weightage. So there's option for this as well. You can always come here and click on perform and see how it has performed, right? So if you change the weightage, you'll be able to see the change in your portfolio as well. Based on the performance, we will give you a flexible platform where you will be able to track. If you're invested in, let me just say, in March 2020, if you're invested, this is how it would have performed by now, right? So click on invest, confirm. I'm executing 4 stocks in one click, and this is the small case which I have created on my own strategy. So there is an option for that as well. So it's done, right? So apart from that, so yeah, so cool. I have shown most of the things which are available on our platform. There are many things to explore, but there's a shortage of time. Hence, let's open the floor for Q&As, where we'll be covering most of the part. Yes, Ashish?
Yes.
So let's open the
Right.
floor for Q&A.
Absolutely. So we are having few questions out here. Let me quickly read that out. I think most of the questions which has been asked is you have already covered it. All right. So now here comes the charges part. I think many repetitive questions from many customers on the charges part. What are the charges? Okay, so Mr. Arun and a lot many other customers have also asked. So viewers, let me inform you here that at HDFC Securities, we are not charging you anything for the platform or for the rebalancing or for using this service. No management charges, no handling fees, nothing as such. Only whatever your standard brokerage that you are into, only that will be applied. Apart from that, there would be no any additional charges. How it is different from a mutual fund? A very good question again, Mr. Arun. It is definitely different from mutual fund because you can say it is similar. In mutual funds, what happens? You get the indirect exposure, wherein definitely all the decisions have been taken by the fund manager, but you receive units, which is based on the NAV, amount invested divided by NAV with number of units you receive. But when it comes to basket investing, here you are actually a shareholder of all these stocks. And the beauty of equity, what again I would like to highlight here, I have not seen any other asset class which have having a triple bonanza. Now, let me cut this down. How? Number one, when a stock price from 100 rupees, it goes to 120, that 20 rupees profit we call capital appreciation. Secondly, Mr. Zafar have shown us dividend aristocrats. So this equity is the only one which also, apart from capital appreciation, gives you additional, dividends. So whatever you receive, dividend income also you get. And third, and the most important part, is corporate actions like bonus, right issues, and split. So this amplifies your quantity. And that is why we always recommend our investors to have an SIP, because SIP will help you for a stock accumulation, and stock accumulation will in return help you when these corporate actions take place. You will be the first one to get the double benefit out of that. Even if there is a 1:1 ratio, you have 1,000 stocks, instantly your post the corporate action, your holding value goes to 2,000 stock, 2,000 quantity. So that is how it is. So this is how it is different from mutual funds. Of course, mutual fund is a great product which everyone should have in their portfolio. But yes, having again exposure towards equity with all that advantages and benefits of having corporate action, being a shareholder, you do get through basket investing. Anything you want to add, Mr. Zafar, on this?
So as you rightly said, there is we can't compare apple to oranges, right? So over here you'll be owning a stock. So if you own, you have more control. So I want to focus on that part, right? So what's the benefit of having a control? So most of us don't realize the benefits of airbags in our car, right? See, what will happen, we'll realize only when the accident happens. So there are, I mean, we always prefer to have a car which has more airbags for our safety. In the same way, small case with HDFC Securities is providing you a control over here. वहां पे उसका फायदा क्या होगा? One, I mean, let me just take one more example which happened some 1.5 or 2 years back. See, one fine evening, so one big CEO went missing, right? One big company ka CEO went missing. We all started worrying ki next day morning that stock may fell down. If you had a control, next day morning you can remove that stock from your portfolio because you're owning stocks with small cases. Next day morning you have a control to come and remove that stock. Let me just take example over here. So I have this, I mean, I have invested in this portfolio. Next day morning I got some news. I mean, it's not just a CEO missing wala case. Let's take, I mean, I got some news. I got some bad news about this stock. So I want to book profit, or I want to book, I want to sell this stock from my portfolio. So you can always come back, click here and sell, right? So that control you have with small cases. If you invest
Right.
in any other portfolios, you'll not have that control.
Absolutely.
Hence, this stands out over there.
So entire customization we have given to to the customers. They can also do it instantaneously if they wish to. Superb. Next question we are getting in: is there any lock-in period? Can I sell it anytime? Asked by Mr. Nantha and Mr. Arun. So yes, sir, there is no lock-in period as such, and you can exit it anytime whenever you want. What are the capital gain implications? Is there any capital gain on individual stocks or on the baskets? Asked by Mr. Ketan Parekh. So, Mr. Zafar, would you like to add here? Would you like to explain here?
So it is just like investing in stocks. There is no difference over here, right? So while investing with small cases, you'll be investing, ultimately you'll be investing in stocks, so which will come to your demat account. So same conditions will apply.
Right. Moving towards the next question, a pretty great audience we have today. A lot of queries, a lot of questions we are getting. Okay. Is there any option while we have logged into our account? Yes, Mr. Jitendra, absolutely. The moment you log into, whether it is your mobile app or it is our M-powered, our trading portal from our website, when you log into HDFC Securities, you have an option out there. Let me see if I am able to show you. That would be better. Just allow me a moment. I will do that for you, and I will tell you from where you can do it.
So you will screen?
Yeah, I will just show my screen because they wanted to know from where inside the login section.
Okay.
Here we go. I think you are able to see my screen, and let me share my browser. Okay, so this is hdfcsec.com. You click on login icon, and that is how you need to enter your login credentials. And this is how you get logged in. So this is Empowered, our basic trading portal. Right here at the last, you can see Invest in Ideas. The moment you click on it, it will take you to our dashboard. And from here, you can click on discover, you can click on all small cases as rightly shown by Mr. Zafar, and you can explore. Similar way from the mobile also, from mobile app also, there is an option of you can click on more. And once you click on more, there at the bottom of the products, you will see basket investing or invest in ideas. You click on it, it will redirect you to this section. Again, you no need to log in again and enter the credentials. So within the login page of HDFC Securities, you can get direct access to basket investing. I hope I have answered your question, Mr. Jitendra. What is the minimum time period you recommend to keep the stocks in small case? Asked by Mr. Hari Krishnan. Would you like to answer, Mr. Zafar?
Yes. So what's the ultimate agenda of investing into market? So that's my actual question to everyone. It's for myself as well, right? So ultimate agenda for everyone is to make money in stock market. That's where we come, right? So we have to make wealth over here. So it's not about investing in small case. It's about compounding. So what we have to do is, if we believe in any strategy or idea, all we have to do is stay invested in this small case. Stay invested in that idea or a strategy. Whenever there is a change, research experts will send you a rebalance notification. Click on it, refresh your portfolio. The stocks which are performing well will stay in your portfolio, or the stocks which are matching the investment style, which will stay in that portfolio. The stocks which we have to book profit or book loss or whatever, if it's not matching our strategy, research expert will suggest us to remove that stock from our portfolio.
All right,
So
great. So considering
that's
the
my
time constraint, yeah, please go ahead. Sorry. All right.
I'm
So
done.
considering the time constraint, we'll be able to take maybe one or two more questions. Pretty interesting question asked by Miss Prachi. She's saying, are you helping in calculating short-term and long-term gains? Madam, absolutely. We at HDFC is a one-stop solution for all your financial and investment-related needs, through which we can, you can bank on us. So right here, you can click on portfolio. And under the statements, you will see, apart from capital gain, you can also see your profit and loss statement, which helps you to define about your dividend income and everything. How much is your financial gain, including dividends, right? So, but yes, when it comes to capital gains at the time of income tax return file, that is where you just have to select your financial year, whichever it may be, and click on submit. This will tell you what is your short-term capital gain. This will tell you what is your long-term capital gain. And you can, this statement is available absolutely free of cost. You can download it right from here, as you can see from my screen, and submit it to your tax consultant. Alternatively, this will also help you to see your upcoming or your past, say for example, and in the coming year, I wanted to see what is my first quarter capital gains. Places that maybe you can take. If you have short-term gains, probably few stocks are in losses, you can set off. So that kind of exposure also customization we have given here. You can see quarter wise, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 wise, you can see H1, H2 also. So in the first half of the year and then the second of the year, where do you stand? Apart from a final annual capital gain statement, right? And many feedbacks we have been receiving that session was very interesting. We would like to have such sessions, which is highly appreciated, madam. And we will be having many more such kind of a sessions, because the only thing is that why we are not doing, because we find it complicated. हमें लगता है बहुत ही difficult है, loss हो जाएगा, risk है, and we are not comfortable. And we at HDFC Securities ensure to keep this kind of a webinar programs to help you understand, because the moment you understand and you learn it, you become more comfortable. And when you become more comfortable, you start investing. And that is what we are looking at, to help you make money, to come up with the best of the best products that we can offer you when it comes to capital market. Whether many customers have asked about e-margin also. So yes, we do have many products are there. Primarily, this is we are doing on basket investing. We have many more such kind of sessions lined up. Please keep our whitelist, put our email ID from where you have received this notification into your inbox, so that next time onwards it does not go into the promotion. It should be within what you say in your inbox itself, right? So So that's all. Okay, Mr. Bhatia, have asked if I have 10 stocks, how the brokerage I have to pay. Definitely, Mr. Bhatia, it would be on a stock level, brokerage would be there. And I would always advise to have maximum amount instead of minimum. That would be the advice, right? So that's all from our side. Now we are open for quick feedback as well. So in case if you have any feedback about this session, did you like it? Was this value addition to you? Was your knowledge level, expanded? Do let us know by writing now in the question mark section itself. We will be more than happy to see your live feedbacks. And thank you so much, Mr. Daud Zafar, for joining us and giving us such insightful knowledge in terms of the platform, in terms of the product, and in terms of knowing the importance of basket investing with some real life and practical examples. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you all.
Right. So we have kept the platform open for next 30 seconds for jotting down your feedback. In the question mark section, you can type in and, do connect with us with your relationship managers. If you are unsure about your relationship managers, you can simply call up our customer care and our customer care team will tell you which branch your account is mapped. That is where HDFC Securities, we add value to it. Apart from these digital products and platforms, we do provide you branches. We have our company owned branches, we have our relationship managers, we have our central dealing desk, we have our customer care to help you. So if you feel that your question or any of this doubt have been unanswered, please get in touch to our customer care or with your relationship manager. Thank you so much for your kind words, Mr. Rajagopalan. Good webinar. 15 minutes I was there. Really appreciate such a session. We would like to have many more practical sessions. Absolutely, Mr. Jitendra Singh will do that. Good to know about small case, good insights. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Prachi and Mr. Rajendra. Thanks for your time. Very knowledgeable session and clear and crisp, not too lengthy. That's a wonderful feedback, what I would say that you have put across, because in current digital era wherein, gluing up onto the screen more than 20, 25, 30 minutes is a concern, which is a very practical thing, which I would say. And we really appreciated that you liked our content and you find it crisp to the point. Thank you so much for your kind feedback. Great initiative. Keep it up. Great. So thank you so much all for joining in. With that note, Ashish Asthana signing off. And thank you so much, Mr. Zafar. And I really appreciate all the audience across the country who have joined in large. Thank you so much all. Take care of yourself and happy investing you all. Thank you so much.